Hi, welcome back to another crochet tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this phone case. It's very easy to make. I am using back post and front post double crochet and as well as a normal double crochet. I have added a button. It's up to you if you want to add a button or not. It's very easy to make. So I'm gonna use 3mm hook, but for this yarn you can use 2.5 to 3.5mm hook, and this is rainbow yarn from Hubie. And also we're gonna use the needle, our scissor. To begin in this project, make a slip knot using 3mm hook. Round 1, make a chain of 15, 1-5, yarn over and pull through. That's our first chain. Yarn over and pull through. That's our second chain. So I have here a chain of 15, and now in the 4th chain from the hook, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to place 1 double crochet right there, like this. Yarn over, insert your hook in the 4th chain from the hook, yarn over and pull 3 loops in the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That is our second double crochet. This is our first double crochet, and this is considered as our second double crochet. And now place 4 more double crochet in the same stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull 3 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So 3, 4, 5, and the last one 6. So we have 6 double crochet in one stitch. And now I'm going to make 10 double crochet in the next 10 stitches. Insert your hook in the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Insert your hook in the next stitch and make 1 double crochet. 2, 3, and last one 10. And here, and this is how your work look like. In the last stitch, I'm going to place 6 double crochet here. Insert your hook, make 6 double crochet in that stitch alone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we put 6 double crochet in the last stitch, and then we're going to place 1 double crochet in the next stitch, which is this one right here. This is your next stitch, okay? Now 9 double crochet in the next 9 stitches. 2, 3, total of 10 double crochet, just like in the other side. So we have 5, 6, and the last one 10. After that, in the chain 3, count chain 3, 1, 2, 3, just this one here. Count 3 chain, insert your hook, yarn over and pull and make a slip stitch. This is for our round 2. We're gonna have 32 stitches in each round total. Round 3, we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So skip the very first stitch, this one. Skip this stitch, and in the next stitch make 1 double crochet here, and then 1 double crochet per stitches all the way around, a total of 32 stitches. I am here in my last stitch. I'm going to make my last double crochet right there, and then this one, this is a slip stitch, not count as a stitch, so you're gonna skip that because that is our slip stitch in the previous round. And now we're going to skip that and then count 3 chain. 1 2 3, insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch, pull through in that loop in the hook to close your round 3. And this is your work should look like by now. Round 4, chain 3, 1 2 3, and then here in the second double crochet, chain 3 is our first double crochet, and then in the next double crochet in the previous round we're going to make 1 front post double crochet, so like this, yarn over, insert your hook in the front post like this, lifting our double crochet, previous double crochet towards you, towards me, okay, like this, and then make your double crochet, 1 double crochet. The only difference is we insert our hook in the back or in the front post double crochet, sorry. And then in the next stitch we're going to make 1 back post double crochet like this, yarn over, insert your hook in the back post. You see, I'm gonna insert my hook in the back like this and lifting the previous double crochet away from you. I just insert my hook like that in the back post and then make your double crochet, 1 double crochet, so like that. And we're going to repeat that pattern, one front post double crochet and then 1 back post double crochet all the way around. Now 1 front post double crochet after making the back post double crochet, and after that 1 back post double crochet after the front post double crochet, and we're going to repeat that all the way around. Here I am in my last double crochet. Now I'm going to make my last front post double crochet right there, since I have my back post double crochet in the previous double crochet. So make your last front post double crochet, and then here we're going to make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. So let's count 1 2 3, insert your hook in the 3rd chain, yarn over and pull through. This is for our round 4. So as you can see, it's starting to build up more. Round 5, chain 3, 1 2 and 3, and here in the previous front post double crochet we're going to make another front post double crochet, this one, in your first front post double crochet, which is this one here, after the chain 3. Insert your hook in the front post and make your double crochet right there. And then in the next previous double back post double crochet we're going to make 1 back post double crochet like this, and make your back post double crochet. And then I'm gonna repeat that all the way around. So I am here in my last front post double crochet. I'm gonna insert my last front post double crochet right there, and then on the 3rd chain, 1 2 3, insert your hook and make a slip stitch. So this is your work should look like. So we have 1 2 back post double crochet rows. Round 6 to 7 I'm going to repeat round 5, okay? So go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. So I am here in my last stitch. I'm gonna make my last double crochet right there, and here we're going to skip that stitch since this is our slip stitch in the previous round. So count 3 chain and insert your hook and make a slip stitch. And this is your work should starting to be really nice now, and more. Okay, so round 10 I'm gonna repeat round 9. Just make 1 double crochet per stitches, starting chain 3, skip 1 stitch, and in the next stitch make 1 double crochet all the way around, repeating round 9. And here I am in my last stitch. I'm gonna make my last double crochet right there, skip this next stitch here, which is our slip stitch in the previous round, and count 3 chain, and then on the top of that make a slip stitch. Round 11 I'm going to repeat round 4, chain 3, 1 2 3, skip the previous chain 3, and then proceed to the next double crochet and make a front post double crochet like this, just inserting your hook like this, and make a double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then 1 back post double crochet in the next previous double crochet, inserting your hook like this at the back, and make your 1 double crochet. One more time, 1 front post, and then in the next 1 back post double crochet. So repeat that all the way around. And here I am in my last stitch. I'm gonna make my last front post double crochet right there, and then count 3 chain and make a slip stitch. There you go, this is your work should look like. And now in round 12 until 15, round 12 until round 15, we're going to repeat round 5, which is like this. Chain 3, make 1 front post double crochet in the previous front post double crochet. So we're putting front post double crochet in the previous front post double crochet, and then in the next previous back post double crochet, make a back post double crochet, just like that. Again, 1 front post in the previous front post double crochet, 1 back post double crochet in the previous back post double crochet. And I'm gonna repeat that all the way around, and then you're gonna make a slip stitch on the 3rd chain, and we're going to repeat that pattern until we reach round 15. Okay, so go ahead, do that, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. So I am here in my last round, which is round 15, and I'm gonna make my last front post double crochet right here after making my back post double crochet, and then count 3 chain and make a slip stitch. So round 16 and 17, we're going to repeat round 9, just making 1 double crochet per stitches all the way around, 2 rows, chain 3 to begin, skip the very first stitch, and in the next stitch skip this stitch here, and then in the next stitch make 1 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet per stitches all the way around for 2 rows. Once you're done of the round, slip stitch on the 3rd chain and begin again with a chain 3 and then slip stitch again to close the round 17. So go ahead, do that, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done until round 17. So I am here in my last stitch of round 17. I'm gonna make my last double crochet right there, and then skip that slip stitch in the previous round and count 3 chain and make a slip stitch. Chain 3 to begin round 18, skip the chain 3 and then proceed to the next previous double crochet and make a front post double crochet, make a back post double crochet, 1 back post double crochet in the next previous double crochet, 1 front post in the next previous double crochet, and 1 back post in the next previous double crochet, and repeat that all the way around. So I am here in my last stitch, and then I'm gonna make my last front post double crochet right there, count 3 chain and then make a slip stitch, and this is your work should look like. Now chain 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and last one 7. So this is for our handle, okay, for our button. And now in the 4 chain from the hook, 1 2 3 4, make 1 double crochet right there, and then 1 double crochet per stitches all the way down from the to the very first chain. And here in my last chain, make your 1 double crochet right there. So you should have 5 double crochet in total, and then skip 2 stitches, 1 2 and 3, and then in the 3rd stitch insert your hook. So skip 2 stitches, okay, so 1 1 2, skip that, and then in the next stitch insert your hook, yarn over and pull through in that loop in the hook, just making a slip stitch. chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. And then I'm gonna make this in a half because I'm gonna make a few knots. So I'm gonna insert my hook here just near to this one. I'm gonna insert my hook here and I'm gonna grab that other piece and pull and make a few knots. Simple and easy. It's up to you when to secure your stitches. For me it's easier this way, like I always say. And then insert your hook in the next or in the others. Stitch closer to this one, or you can cut it already, it's really up to you. Then I'm gonna make a few knots to secure more the stitches like that, and then I just cut the yarn. I have here buttons, and then I'm gonna just put it like this first, and then I'm gonna place it here in the bottom of the last 2 rows. Then I just go through in this hole here a few times. 1, and then I'm gonna go 2 more, go into the stitch and pull, go back outside and go in again in the other hole. I'm gonna do that 1 more time, go out and go in, and then make a few knots to secure that stitch. So it's very easy. It's up to you how you want to attach this. It's for me just easier that way. And then here, just go here in the second space in the last double crochet, like there, last 2 space, and that's it. It's very easy, fast. I loved it. You can make it with different color or different buttons. It's really easy to make and fast. Written pattern for this one, I will just put the link in the description box below. So that's it for this video. Thank you and bye.